Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a compatible Firefox build and signing into your Firefox account. This lets extensions sync and save settings. Once done, open the browser menu and tap Add-ons or Extensions to access the built-in catalog. You do this now because the catalog is the safest place to install mobile-compatible add-ons. Make sure to allow the browser any install prompts. This first step gets you into the extension workflow without guessing which packages will work on mobile. You'll search the add-ons list for mobile-compatible extensions, prioritize ones labeled for Android or mobile. Tap Install, then read the permissions prompt so you understand why the extension needs access. That prevents surprises and keeps your data safer. After installing, open the extension settings inside the add-ons page to configure options like blocking rules, site exceptions, or toolbar placement. Once configured, test it on a few pages to verify behavior and tweak permissions or settings until the extension behaves as you expect. Finish by verifying the extension works across sites you use. Make sure sync is on if you want settings shared to other devices. Keep Firefox and extensions updated so APIs remain compatible and security patches apply. If something goes wrong, first clear cache and restart the app. If that fails, reinstall the extension or try the nightly build, which supports a wider set of add-ons. This troubleshooting step often resolves missing features or compatibility gaps without complex tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.